got Jeff up here playing harmonica with me. Ooh, and I got feedback. Nice.
Just for you.
Thank you. Sometimes I get up here, wanna sense a bunch of nonsense. But I know my voice ain't good enough for bad lyrics. This is the first song, it's the moment of truth. This one bombs, what good will the next two do? I'm trying to stay focused, stay in the moment. But all I can think about is if my fly is open. I think I checked before I came on, but I really can't remember, just don't recall. I asked you to help, but that seems like it's asking a lot, so I'm just gonna check quick. Okay. Doing it wrong, dissecting the bird, trying to find the song. It's a miracle that you're here at all. Hey, hey. I don't trust musicians who are always complaining. It's hard out here, but so is everything. You know, my last job was before I did this. I'd walk around parking lots, picking up trash. You know how many people came to watch me do the trash pickup job? Zero, always zero. I had zero draw for that trash pickup job, but at least if this one fails, I still play my guitar. I don't trust a musician who's always complaining. Sometimes it's great, sometimes it's raining, sometimes it's the gorge, sometimes it's the garage. I get over yourself, do your goddamn job. Oh, we're doing it wrong, dissecting the bird, trying to find the song. It's a miracle that we're here at all. Come on, Jeff, play some harder. Candle flickers, the days get dark. They call them first world problems, but they still break your heart. And the universe feels like it's against you. Just take a minute, think about what it took to make you. Your parents had to meet, as random as that was, and then hang out a little bit, just to make some love and have a baby. Give it your name. All your ancestors had to do the same, exponentially backwards to the start of life. So much had to happen just exactly right. Sparks had to fly, and oceans had to freeze. Billions of cells had to survive endless disease. Civilizations had to crumble, wars had to get fought. Bad presidents had to get elected, good presidents got shot. People had to leave, hearts had to get broken, people had to die so that your eyes would open. The universe, it's not against you, the universe, it's not against you. It went through a lot just to give you a chance. It must have wanted you pretty bad. No pressure though, no pressure though. The universe went through a lot, but No pressure, bro. You don't gotta be perfect. You don't gotta be a saint. Just don't waste it.